Hey, it's Lexi too. It's Lexi's Crusty Kingdom. This video is just going to be like my philosophy or thinking. I did a lot of writing in the last year and a lot of thinking, and basically, I came up with a bunch of things. I just think it's important to be open about what you believe in life. Um, um, and basically, my thought is there's like a trinity of decision making. There's three parts of your being that you have to have um, to make any relevant, important, well-rounded decision. And basically, uh, is your mind, your heart, and your stomach or your gut? Your mind, is it the most educated, well-read, thoroughly studied, intelligent, intellectual, well-rounded, well thought out, well analyzed decision you could possibly make? Is the most intelligent, is the most educated. Have you thought about all the outcomes on different sides? Second one is your heart. Basically, how does it feel? Is it compassionate? Does it hurt you? Does it hurt others? Um, does it bring you pain? Is it going to bring pain to others? Might be inevitable, but how much? Is it intentional? Does it feel like you're contributing to yourself and you're contributing to other people? Is it going to make a positive difference? What's really like the deep feeling it's going to cause in the long run? Think about that. And then the last one is your gut instinct. People talk about intuition and having a third eye, your subconscious, your human psyche, your inner vision, your inner thoughts, your and I kind of say that like the gut instinct is like that, but it's more physical. I call it the fourth eye. It's basically that gut instinct when somebody says something, you're about to do something, you might go somewhere, and you immediately feel sick to your stomach cramps up. It's just that immediate gut instinct that tells you no. Personally, in my life, my gut instinct has never been wrong, ever. I trust my gut, like no matter what. There's times where I'm not sure and I can't quite decide. It's a little bit in between. But if my gut tells me no, then I have to say no. Your gut is like your deep feeling. It's not just the heart, it's not the compassion, the emotions. It's like, do you get sick? Do you get nauseous? Does your stomach cramp up? Do you immediately feel fear and worry and nausea when you think about doing something, somebody suggests something? That's my thought. That's the trinity of decision making. After you go through all three of those, and they're all pretty balanced and feel pretty all right, then you can make a decision on something. And it's probably all right. That's how to make a decision in life. We all make really bad decisions in life too, but I want to make a good decision that's well thought out. That's how you do it. It's the Trinity.